So I'm using my box fan, USB box fan that I created to cool my cable modem and my microcontroller right here. So I'm going to test the temperature for my cable modem. The temperature is about 82 degrees, 81 to 82 degrees for my cable modem, and for my microcontroller is about 80 degrees, 82 degrees, and my cable modem is about 80 degrees, 79 to 80 degrees. So this is around 1 o'clock p.m. So the temperature of this room does get hotter, and I'm gonna get the second reading maybe around 5 or 6. Okay, right now it's about 5:20 p.m. and I'm gonna take the temperature reading. And this, it's about 89 degrees to 90 degrees. I'm going to take the temperature reading in this. It's about 86 degrees. It's about 86 to 88 degrees. And this room is pretty warm right now, and this fan is working right now. As you can see, air's going in there, it's coming out this way, and it's hitting my cable modem and also my microcontroller right here. It's not very hot there. It doesn't feel very hot. It'd be a lot harder if I didn't have this thing. Not too bad. Okay, thanks for watching. By Ace 1000KS19. Well, another thing. Since this box fan is rectangular, you can put stuff on top of it, unlike a regular fan, which is great. And you could put stuff on it. It's sturdy enough for that. Okay. Thanks for watching. By Ace 1000KS1975 signing out.